Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet into the back bumps of your starting chains. Normally when you start a crochet project you would hold your chain so that the V's are facing you, and then you would just insert your hook under the top two loops and then work your stitches as normal. But sometimes the pattern will say to work into the back bumps, so then you just want to turn your chains over and you want to crochet into these bumps here. So you just want to insert your hook under the bump, so you only have one loop on the hook there that you just picked up, and then you just want to yarn over and finish the stitch as normal. So once again, you just insert your hook underneath the back bump there, yarn over and pull through. Now I'm doing this with single crochets, but you can also do this with half double crochets, double crochets, triple crochets, or any other stitch that you want. The reason for this is that it gives you the same look on both sides of the fabric. Here you have the top of the stitches, you see the little V's, and then if you turn it over, these are the bottom of your stitches, and again you have those little V's.